Yep, you got another car right there. White is the brake lights on. So let's see. Let's find out why is brake lights on. Yep, that's right there. That's the problem. Alright guys, we're going to try to reset this BMW X3 2004. So we're going to reset the front brakes sensor. So turn the key on, power on, and press this BC to clear that out. After you clear that, press it, and then clear, and then you hold this little button right here, and you'll wait until eventually it'll pop on. There it is, reset, and you hold it again, and then after that, reset, hold it again, in progress, and you wait, boom, just like that, guys. That's how you reset it. Yep, successfully reset, done deal. You only do it when you, if you notice that your brake sensor is worn out, damaged, you replace it with the new one, and then you go over here and reset it. Sometimes you can use the scan tools, but sometimes we will not do it with the scan tools, just like that. Yep, just like that, guys. Look.